make DIY notebook covers. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to turn out notebooks like this into something like this. Isn't that amazing? So let's start today's video and let's see how you can make DIY custom book covers. So let's get into today's video. Here I have both of this notebook that I'm going to use it for this craft. You can use notebook of any size or any color, it depends on you. Now I'm going to start off with a black craft paper and going to cover my whole notebook with this same craft paper. In the front side I'm going to use this black one, and in the back side I'm going to use white. With help of a sticky tape I am going to stick all the sides and corners of the black craft paper. I repeat the same process for the other one with blue size of craft paper, so let's completely do that step. For the back side I am going to use this A4 size printer paper which is in white color, and instead of sticky tape I am going to use glue for this side. You can use glue or sticky tape, it depends on you. Just make sure that you don't form any kind of air bubbles while applying glue and the paper, otherwise you will get different kind of texture which is not particularly good for the book covers. For the other notebook I am going to repeat the same process of applying glue and afterwards applying the blue card sheet paper. Just make sure that you don't form any air bubbles, and now I'm going to use a single paper for all the notebook. I'm not going to use different paper, so that will be a more easier part. You can use any kind of method by using a single bigger paper, or you can also apply different paper as I did in the first notebook. My sketch is done. Now I will snip this off with help of scissors, so let's do it. Here you go. Now as you can see we have this cute design. Now I'll take some glue and apply it to our black notebook. I thought that I will directly write or paint the letters on the notebook without cutting it, so that it will look more cuter. So with help of a glue, let's stick this up. I just drew the rough outline of the letters that we wanted to draw. Now I'll use white paint to cover it properly, which will look even cuter. Now let's start painting the cactus on this blue notebook. The cactus that I'm painting here is in cartoonist style and it looks really cute after painting. So all the colors that I'm using is written in the caption and the description, so if you want to make it you can see all the details in the description as well as in the caption. So as you can see I'm just starting the painting, and you guys remember that in our childhood we used to cover our notebooks with those orange kind of thingy, that orange kind of cover paper, and also we used to stick different kind of stickers on it and write our names, and we used to fought with our sister that I'm going to write the name or I'm going to write the name. That used to happen with me every single time. I used to be really excited when school is going to reopen, so I used to be really excited that what I am going to wear. I used to keep my all clothes ironed before for the first day, and slowly how the days pass by it used to be really regular as it was. So it's really special. While painting all this stuff I got all the memories back again, so I'll highly recommend you to try this once because it's really nice. So I really hope you guys love today's video, and if you do, let me know in the comment section that which one is your favorite from both of them, the cactus one or the cute ghost one which says boo. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and I make more videos like this. So support Shruti Arts by subscribing Shruti Arts, as well as make sure to follow the drill of like, share, subscribe and comment. And also here are all the social handles, you can go and follow me there. Till that, take care and bye bye, and I'll see you in my next video.